Hello friends, Ben here with another video. Thank you very much for tuning in this video, to keep consistency with the footwear talk we did in last week video, I thought about talk about this pair of boots that I just received from the cobbler from a Resoled job that they got done. So I thought I'd open the bags here and go over that work with you here. So let's see how the boots ended up looking like, and also I'm going to explain why I decide to have them resole this is a pair of boots that I got, but the boots are made by the brand of Hugo Boss. They're not the most quality boots, but I thought I'd get them resoled anyway because the old sole was already falling apart. And here's the boots, and this is the work that was done. This is how they look now. Like I said, they're made by the brand of Hugo Boss. Not the best quality boots. They originally had the wedge sole, and now they have this leather sole with a lug commando. This is what's called a commando style of sole, and the boots are made of a cow skin, and they were originally cemented construction, and we went from the cemented construction to Blake stitch construction for a better longevity. They have a new storm well. Originally the well they had was a fake well. This one is the leather well, and the work was done by Bedos leatherwork, or Steve Bedos leatherwork. And you'll be like, why did you decide to resole a pair of low quality boots? Number one reason why I decided it was a good idea to resole the boots is because with wear I have already broken in these boots, and the fit now is quite good for me. If I bought a new pair of boots, I had to go with the break-in process again, and that's painful. So this one, they fit like a glove, so I thought about just do the resole. Now the resole by the Bedos leatherwork it ended up costing about the same that I'll have to pay for a brand new pair of boots, maybe a little bit more. But I thought if I buy a new pair of boots, I won't be able to find this style of boot. These ones here are a broad leather boots with the long wing. All the styles I've seen similar to these are the short wing instead of the long wing, so I couldn't find anything that was similar to what I had. So I thought I'd just keep these ones instead and just keep wearing them. I already have some patina on it, so I don't have to work for that. And according to the way that I wear my boots, probably these boots will be around for 2-3 years with me, and I think it was a good investment having them resoled. Especially I want to have something done by Steve from Bedos leatherwork. I'm actually really happy with the end result of the work. So I have no complaints about it. Another fix that they did is this part here was missing on the boot, so he was able to put a new pull-on boots and pull up little loop there, and they're good. So this is the this is the pair of boots I got Resoled. I'm quite happy with the way that they came out. Can't wait to get them on and go and try them. So thank you for tuning in, and hopefully you decide to come back for more videos in the future, and let's get that conversation about footwear in the comment section of the video. Let me know what is your thoughts on resoling old shoes or boots. Is it something that you do, or you normally just discard the footwear when the sole get worn out? This one's, like I said, the uppers were in good condition. It was just old soles that were falling apart, but with this sole here, they feel pretty solid. So I think I'm sure I'll have these boots for 2-3 years down the road without problems. So thank you very much again, and I hope to talk to you again soon. Until then, stay well. Bye.